Good morning students. In this class let us learn about dividing by a two-digit number. Dividing by a two-digit number. For example, 84 divided by 4 is there. 84 divided by 4. In this 84, the first number 84 is a dividend. Okay, 84 is a dividend. And this the second number 4 is the divisor. 4 is a divisor. Okay, now we'll do division. In the middle we'll write dividend 84 and here we'll write divisor 4. Okay, first we will do divisions from this side. What is the digit here? 8. In 4 table we will get 8 is 4 2s are 8. So we'll write here 2 and 8 here. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8? 0. So now we will take this 4 here down. 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. This is long division. Okay. Here this is a quotient. Quotient is the answer. Okay, quotient 21 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Okay, to check the answer, now we'll do check. How we'll check? Yes, there is a formula, that is, what is this? Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus this remainder equal to dividend, capital D, dividend. We have to get 84. Look, what is divisor? 4. 4 into 21 plus 0. Okay, look, 21 into 4, how much? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 84 plus 0 will be 84. We got dividend. Yes, then this problem is correct. Okay, like this you have to write. This is dividend, this is divisor, and this is quotient, and this is remainder. Here we got remainder 0. Now I will explain one more problem for you. Okay, for example, 96 divided by 2 is there. 96 divided by 2. Here 96 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. Okay, 96. Okay, in 2 table we will get 9. No, we will get 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay, 9 minus 8 is 1 and we will take this 6 here down. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So the quotient is 48. Q is equal to 48 and dividend capital D is equal to 96 and small d is equal to 2 and remainder equal to 0. Okay, now we will do check here. What is the formula for check? Yes, this we will multiply these two and we will add this. Okay, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to capital D. Divisor is 2, so 2 into 48 plus 0 is equal to 2 into 48. Look here, 2 8s are 16, 1 taken as carry and 6 will be here. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 96 plus 0 is 96. So we got dividend, so this answer is correct. Okay, now I will explain one more example. Look here, example 3. For example, 45 divided by 4 is there. 45 divided by 4. Okay, 45 is a dividend and 4 is the divisor. Okay, we will write dividend in the middle and divisor will be here. To do this problem we have to get 4 table. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will take this 5 here down. 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so we got remainder r is equal to 1 and quotient is equal to 11. Okay, now we'll do check here. What is the formula for check? Yes, we'll multiply these two, divisor, quotient. Divisor into quotient plus r remainder equal to dividend. Okay, look here. What is divisor here? 4 into 11 plus r is 1 equal to 4 into 11. 11 fours are, yes, 11 fours are 44. 44 plus 1. Here 1 is there, no? So we have to add 1 to this number. Okay, 44 plus 1 is 45. We got dividend. Yes, if you get this same, this answer is correct. Okay, now I will explain one more example for you. Fourth example. For example, 98 divided by 3. 98 divided by 3. So here capital D is 98 and small d is 3. Okay, 98 divided by 3. Okay, look, in 3 table we will get 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9. So we'll write 3 here and we'll write 9 here. 9 minus 9 is 0. So we'll take 8 here down. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we got quotient. Quotient is 32 and remainder is r equal to 2. Now we'll do check. What is the formula for check? Yes, we will multiply these two. This is divisor and this is quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to dividend. What is divisor here? 3. 3 into 32 plus 2 is equal to, look, 32 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 96 plus 2. Here 2 is there, so we will add 2. 96 plus 2, 97, 98. We got dividend. Yes, so the answer is correct. Okay, like this you have to do division and you have to check the answer by using this formula. Okay, look here children, this is textbook page number 153. Okay, look here, some divisions are given. Look, 39 divided by 3. We have to get 3 table to do this problem. 3 ones are 3. Okay, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we'll take this 9 here. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Okay, do these all in your fair notes and do check also. Multiply these two and add this. You have to get this 39. If you get 39, then this answer is correct. 13 3s are 39 plus 0, 39. Okay, this answer is correct. Like that you have to check. Do the problem and write check also. Okay, here complete your notes up to L problem. Complete your notes up to L problem. Okay, thank you.